I'm Fritz Bittenbender. I'm at the Bio International Convention here in sunny San Diego with Bob Coughlin, the president of MassBio. Bob, it's great to be with you this morning.
It's great to be here, Fritz.
Bob, one of the things that's been amazing at this convention is I've heard a lot of buzz about Massachusetts and the fact that you really are the home of research right now in America for the biopharmaceutical industry. Lots of companies moving in there, growing jobs. Tell me what's going on in Massachusetts and what you think for the future.
You know, Fritz, this is the 6th anniversary of when we were in San Diego last.
That's right.
At the Bio International Convention, which was an amazing show. And it was so important for us in Massachusetts because that's when we signed the 10-year, $1 billion life science initiative.
Right.
Governor Deval Patrick was here 6 years ago. He was here again today, yesterday, and on Monday. And, it's amazing to see the progress that's happened in just 6 years. We've continued to grow. We have 10 out of the top 10 big pharma companies have a physical presence. We have over 650 member companies now at MassBio, and a lot of it's because of the great work that is able to happen and is done at this show.
Oh, that's tremendous. Now, Bob, I know you had a long-range strategic plan for Massachusetts Bio 2015. I think you've hit most of your goals, so now you've developed a longer-range strategic plan for Massachusetts Bio 2020. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, MassBio 2015, we were able to hit all of our goals and objectives, and the mission of that report was to try to figure out how we can make Massachusetts the best place in the world for innovation. And we think that happened. Impact 2020 is a little bit different. It talks about what we need to do next. And some of the themes that you've seen in the Massachusetts Pavilion here is how do we remain patient focused? How do we talk about value? How does our industry talk about how these breakthrough drugs don't only just not only have a huge meaningful impact on the lives of patients, but can actually take expense out of the cost of healthcare. A great drug can keep people out of the hospital. It can keep them healthy. It can keep them working. And that's what we're talking about here at the Bio International Convention in San Diego.
I mean, one of the incredible things for Massachusetts this convention is you had a tremendous amount of state leadership here. You had your governor here, you had your Senate president here, you had your incoming Senate president here, a lot of committee chairs. I mean, it was great to see Massachusetts coming to the International Convention. What do you think those public officials took out of this meeting?
It's an ongoing educational process, and to take your public officials, your elected officials, and educate them on these very difficult issues. Once they learn about it, they realize that it's all about the patient. And there isn't a district throughout the Commonwealth or a state throughout the United States of America that doesn't have sick people living in it. So when you can educate public officials and elected officials and our leaders from government as to how important this is for sick people, they want to be a part of it. And it's contagious, it really is. And to see, we're as far away as you can get in the United States from Massachusetts, right here in the western part of California. Right. And we have had more elected officials come this year than we have ever had outside of Massachusetts.
Absolutely, meetings in Massachusetts. So obviously you've had some tremendous meetings in Massachusetts. And as an association, we love bringing our international conference to Massachusetts. So that aside, tell us a little about what you think this meeting in San Diego has been like.
Well, as a state association and a state affiliate of the Bio International organization and this show, we want to thank you for putting it on, because competition, it has no borders. This is about collaboration. This is about working with other states and other countries to try to move the needle and improve what we're doing in this industry. And that's what the Bio International Convention is the best place to do that. Yeah. This has been an extremely beneficial, a very positive, valuable show for all of us in Massachusetts. So for that, we thank you.
Right. Most importantly, have you had any fun?
I've had a lot of fun.
Okay, good. All right.
Thanks,
We've been
Fritz.
speaking with Bob Coughlin, the president of MassBio, and we're very excited that Massachusetts has been such a strong partner of ours, and Bob's been a strong partner, and we look forward to seeing you all in Philadelphia in 2015.
We look forward to being there, Fritz. Thank you.
Thanks, Bob.